Hello everyone, welcome back to our talk show. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is very relatable, especially for you guys as a college students. The topic is struggles of first year college students. I'm Kashaf as a host, and today I'm here with my friends. So Winda as a guest one and Gabby as a guest two. How are you guys today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm excited to be here.
I'm great too. A little nervous, but also excited to share my experience.
No need to be nervous, guys. This is just a casual talk. So today we are going to share our real experience as a first year college students, from confusion, stress, the challenges, and to how we finally adapt with environment. I'm sure many students out there feel the same way, so hopefully this discussion can help and inspire them. Okay guys, let's start from the beginning. Winda, can you tell us what was your very first impression when you entered your university?
Honestly, I felt excited at first, but also very confused. Felt so different compared to high school.
Different in what way, Win?
In high school, everything was structured. We had fixed schedules. Teacher reminded us about assignment and everything was good. But in university, we have to be independent. No one really reminds you.
That's so true, guys. I think the sudden chance is quite shocking. So, how about you, Gabby? Did you feel the same like Winda?
Yes, definitely. One of my biggest struggles was understanding the class schedule. At first, I didn't even understand how to read it properly.
Really? What happened, Gab?
There was one time I went to the Warren class and didn't realize it until the lecturer called a different course name. It was so embarrassing.
That must have been so awkward, right?
Yes, I didn't know whether to stay or leave.
That's actually a very common experience for first year students. Beside the schedule confusion, what else did you struggle?
Assignment, a lot of assignments. Sometimes we get multiple tasks from different lecturers at the same time, and the deadline are very close.
Yes, and no one tells you which is one more is more important.
Actually, I felt overwhelmed because I didn't know how to priority.
Okay, okay. So, Winda, did you also feel overwhelmed with your assignments?
Yes, very much. I was surprised by how many assignments we had, and not only the quantity but also the difficulty.
What do you mean?
In university, assignments require more critical thinking. We are not just answering questions, but we have to analyze, discuss, and sometimes present your ideas.
That's a big jump from high school, right? What about your lectures? Any challenge from your lectures?
Yes, lecture don't always explain everything step by step. Sometimes the just give the main points and expect you to learn the rest by yourself.
I'm agree with that. At first, I thought I wasn't smart enough, but then I realized it's just the system. We're expect to be independent learners. So, from what you both said, the confession, pressure, and independence are the main challenges. Do you think all first year students experience?
I think most of them do. It's a major transition, not just academically, but also mentally.
Yes, because we are entering and completely new environment, new friends, new lectures, new exposition, everything is new.
That's true. Did you ever feel like you couldn't handle it anymore?
Yes, there were moments when I felt very tired and overwhelmed. Sometimes I questioned whether I could surface in university.
That sounds serious, Win. What about you, Gibby?
Some here, I even felt stressed because I couldn't manage my time properly at the beginning.
So, how did you deal with those feelings?
At first, I just tried to push through, but later I realized I needed to change my habits.
That's an important relation. So, instead of giving up, you choose to adapt with your environment.
Uh, yes, actually.
So,
Okay, guys, let's move to the most important part. The part is solutions. So, Winda, what did you do to overcome your struggles?
I started by organizing my time better. I made a daily and weekly schedule, including classes, assignment, and even rest time.
Oh, did it help, Win?
Yes, a lot. I become more aware of my responsibilities and deadlines.
That's a great strategy. So, Gaby, what about you?
For me, I realized that I couldn't to do everything alone, so I started studying with friends and discussing assignments together.
Okay, so for you, collaboration is the key.
Yes, when we study together, it's easier to understand difficult topics.
I also try to avoid procrastination. If I delay my work, it just builds up and becomes more stressful.
Okay, that's very relatable. Procrastination is a big problem from students. Any other tips?
Don't hesitate to ask questions either to friends or lecturers. It's better to ask than to stay confused.
And also take care of your mental health. Don't push yourself too hard.
Okay, that's very important, guys. University life is not about only academics, but also personal growth. So, if you could give one advice to new students, what would it be?
Stay organized and manage your time well.
Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Okay, guys, good. All right, thank you so much, guys, for your sharing your honest experience. Today, we learned that being a first-year student can be challenging, from confusion, heavy assignments, to pressure, but it's all part of the learning process. With good time management, communication, and positive mindset, we can adapt the environment and we can grow. So all first year as college students out there, you're not alone and keep going, guys. Thank you for everyone for watching our talk show. See you in the next episode and thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.